One of the tools used in statistics in measuring and analyzing set of data is the measure of central tendency. It is the center point around which the values in a distribution assemble. The purpose of the central tendency is to provide an exact representation of the entire collected data. And the most used measures of central tendency are the mean, median, and mode. So in this video, we're going to focus on examples and solutions in finding the mean of ungrouped data. What is mean? It is the arithmetic mean. The common term is the average, which is the average of a given set of data, and it is denoted by X bar. So that is how we read this symbol. How do we find the mean? It is the sum of all observations. When you say observations, these are the scores or the values in the set divided by the number of observations. This is in symbol. X bar or the mean equals the sum of X. Sum of X are the sum of scores divided by N, and represents the total number of the scores, observations, or values. Let's start with example number 1. Raphael's grades in his art subject are 93, 97, 90, and 89. What is his final grade? Therefore, we are just going to find the average or the mean. So how do we do that? Add all the grades. Raphael has, we have 93 plus 97 plus 90 plus 89 divided by the number or the total number of scores. We have how many grades does Raphael has? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, his average in his art subject is 92.95. Example 2. The scores of students in mathematics quiz are 5, 7, 9, 10, 8, 6, 3, 7, 6, and 9. Calculate the mean. So how many scores are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Using the formula, X bar or the mean equals the sum of all the scores divided by the total number of scores, which is 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 10 plus 8 plus 6 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 9 divided by the number of the scores, which is 10. Therefore, the score mean or the mean score is 7. Example number 3. Maria has the following ratings in humanities subject for 3 quarters, 80, 79, 85. What must be her rating in 4th quarter to obtain an average score of 85? The average is given, so using the formula in finding the mean and then substituting the given, 85 again is the average or the mean, and the 3 ratings for the 3 quarters are 80 plus 79 plus 85 plus X. So let us denote the fourth quarter rating as X, and then divided by the number of the ratings, 1, 2, 3, 4. So N is 4. Then add the 3. That's 244, because 80 plus 79 plus 85. Then multiply 85 by 4. That leaves us 244 plus X on the other side. Then by additive inverse, 85 times 4 is 340 minus 244 equals X. Therefore, her rating must be 96 for the fourth quarter in order for Maria to get the average score of 85. Next, weighted mean. It is the quantities multiplied with the weighted value, added, and then divided by the weight. So W sub 1 times X sub 1, W stands for the weight for each observation. X is the observation or the score or the values. So let's have an example for you to get a clearer grasp of this one. Example 4. Thomas take 3 100-point exams in his class and score 82, 80, 95. The last exam is much easier than the first two, so his professor has given it less weight. The weights for the 3 exams are 40%, 40%, and 20% respectively. What is his final weighted average for the class? For our solution, take note that 40% is also 0.4 in decimal and 20% is also 0.2 in decimal. That is 40 divided by 100 and 20 divided by 100. By using the formula for the weighted mean, we have the weighted mean or X bar equals 82 times 40, then 80 times 40, 95 times 20 divided by 100, because the total weights is 40 plus 40 plus 20 is 100. Or you may compute the weighted mean by using the decimals. We have 82 times 0.4 plus 80 times 0.4 plus 95 times 0.2. Therefore, the weighted average for Thomas is 83.8. Another example, number 5. Monthly salaries of Akito builders are shown in the discrete frequency distribution below. Find the mean salary. Discrete means ungrouped. Okay, the salary denoted by X. So these are the salaries on the first column. On the second column are the number of employees corresponding to for each salary. So in 35,000 there is 1 employee. 23,000 there are 3 employees whose salary is 23,000. In 17,200 there are 5 employees, and on the next there are 10, and on the last there are 15 employees whose salary is 9,500 each. So here are our solution. So let's find the value of N by adding the number of employees. So 1 plus 3 plus 5, 9 plus 10 plus 15 is 34. and also known as the frequency or the weights. So using the idea of the formula in finding the weighted mean, we have 35,000 times 1 plus 23,000 times 3, 17,000 times 5, plus 13,000 times 10, plus 9,500 times 15 divided by n, or the total weights. Therefore, the mean salary of the Akito Builders is 13,602.94 pesos. Next example, number 6. The number of goals scored by Team Makisig in 20 games are as follows: 4-3-0-2, 2-2-3-2, 4-0-5, 2-3-1-1, 2-1-4-0-1. And this data is displayed in the frequency distribution table here. Calculate the mean goal. So in the goal score 0, there are 1, 2, 3. So the frequency is 3. For the goal score 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the frequency is 4. 2 or goal score 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 3, there is 1, 2, 3. For goal score 4, 1, 2, 3. And for goal score 5, there is only 1. So for our solution 1, let's get the total frequency or the value of n, or the weights. So 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 is 20. By using the idea of weighted mean, then substituting the given, 0 times 3 plus 1 times 4 plus 2 times 6 plus 3 times 3 plus 4 times 3 plus 5 times 1 divided by the weights or the n, or the total frequency 20. Therefore, the mean goal is 2.1. That's it. I hope you learned something from this. Other measures of central tendency, the median and mode. Examples of this are also available in this channel. Bye.